So it is taking to a full screen video, and the URL is also different, and there's no ad here. Interesting, right? Now you can use this tip and watch your favorite movie or anything on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm here with some interesting tips and tricks. These were shared to me by my content team. I've seen some of them but never tried them. Let's try them today. Do watch the video until end. I am Subita from NerdisNerd, and let's jump in. So I've picked a few tips and tricks. Let's try one by one and see how it works. So the first tip we have here is add a hyphen between T-U in YouTube URL for ad-free no cookie mode. That sounds interesting. Like who doesn't love to watch content on internet on YouTube without ad? I mean, I would love to because it's so annoying to have too many ads in between when you're watching a favorite content, right? So I'm going to pick a video, and let's pick a random video from here and let's try that out. So I'm going to pick this one. And
Time to scout.
as expected, we have ad here, so I'm going to add the trick. I'm going to add the tip, so I'm just added a hyphen between T and U, and let's see. So it is taking to a full screen video, and the URL is also different, and there's no ad here. Interesting, right? Now you can use this tip and watch your favorite movie or anything on YouTube. And let's move on to the next one. For that, let's see what we have next. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, to start a fresh document, type docs.new in your web browser and you're in. And it applies same for sheets.new and slides.new. Okay, let's try this out. For that, I'm going to switch to a new tab and I'm going to write docs.new. Wow, it's creating a it's opening a fresh document here. Now let's try for meet also. Okay, because it says it is applicable for all Google Workspace, so I'm going to try meet. That's cool. I mean, it's creating an instant meet. Let me just dismiss and close all this. We all use Google Workspace in our daily basis, right? So I think this tip is going to be very useful to all. All you have to do is do try out for the other Google Workspace tool and let me know in the comment section below. So let's move on to the next tip. Let's see what we have for tip number 3. I'll close this. Okay, save your PowerPoint presentations as a PowerPoint show and it will open directly to the slideshow. That sounds interesting. Let me pull up a PowerPoint presentation. And I think I'll have to create, yes, let me create 2 slides. Okay, I'm going to write welcome to Nerd is Nerd. Let me create another one. Okay, let me create as thank you for watching. Okay, and I'm going to save this. So I'm going to save this to this PC, to this folder. Okay. Now, I'll just go back to this and see what it says. Okay, save your PowerPoint presentation as a PowerPoint show. Okay, let's save this as a PowerPoint show. Now, here, oh wow, so I see so many options there. I can also save it as PDF, PowerPoint template. Okay, do try out this. For now, I'm going to save this as PowerPoint show and click on save. And let me open this in a folder where I saved. Okay, this is a folder. So let's see. Cool. So this is directly opening as a PowerPoint show. the slideshow. I think you can also attach this to the email and they can receive this as a slideshow only. Wow, this is cool. So do try this out and also try the other formats. And let's move on to the next tip. So the tip number 4 for today is, I'm going to close this. Okay, so if you want to download a YouTube video, just add SS to the URL between www dot and YouTube. All right, so let's try this out. For that, I'm going to go to YouTube and pick a video. Let's do that. My internet is slow, I believe. Okay, so let me pick a video. Okay, I'll pick this one.
Good grammar and spelling are important.
I'm just going to avoid the add and going to add SS between www.ssyoutube.com. All right, so let's see what's going on. Okay, it's took me to a new website and I have the video here, and just select the format and I'm going to click on download and let's see. Yeah, you can see the video is getting downloaded here. So it's going to take 3 more minutes, so I'm just going to cancel this. So this works. So do download any video from YouTube using this tip. So the tip number 5 is, okay, did you know when you copy something from internet, use Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste it? This will prevent the text from formatting. Let's try that out. For that, I'm going to go to Google and pick something from here. Let me pick this one. I'm going to copy this and paste it. Okay. Whoa, I'm going to use the tip which is Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Right. Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Okay, so let me also try with Ctrl plus V and paste it to see the difference. Oh, I see a lot of difference. So people who do a lot of copy paste from internet, I think this is a very useful tip for them because you can edit this according to your font style and font size. Now let's move on to the next tip. Before that, let me delete this and let's see what we have for tip number 6. So I'm just closing all this. All right. Search using site to find content like a ninja. So a Google search can return millions of results. That's true. Cut that down significantly by searching just a single site with Google site colon feature. Let me also read this. Okay, open Google in your browser and type site colon and then the website you wish to search, like this nerdisnerd.com, but leave off the quotation mark. Okay, let's try this. For that, just going to Google and let me type site colon nerdisnerd.com. Okay, so it is giving me significant results inside the website, which is the blogs, the contact details, refund, and rest of the things. So let me also try without this and see what's the difference. So yeah, the results are from different domains. Uh, I have all different domains here, that is from Instagram and Facebook. I think this is very useful if you want to search something inside a website. So, yeah, this is also a very useful tip. So, let's jump into tip number 7. Okay, it's a nerd suggestion which says share a YouTube video at a precise point. Okay, there's something here. Let me read this. If you see something in a YouTube video that you want to share at a particular point, you can get the link that takes people directly to that moment. Click the share button below the video. Look for the checkbox below the link. It will automatically display the time at which you currently have the video stopped. All right, let's try this out. For that, I'm going to go to YouTube and pick a video. So let me pick, okay, I'll pick this one. Okay, let me just mute this. Okay, I'm going to skip the ad and I will share the video from here. Okay, clicking on share. Left to tick the checkbox and copy this. Let me paste it here. Alright, so when I'm sharing the video, it is starting from exactly where I stopped. So yeah, this is one of the good tip. You can use it if you want to share particular point or particular timing with your friend. Yeah, so you can try this one. Let's move on to the next, the last but not the least, tip number 8. Let's see what we have. It's also a nerd suggestions, which says reopen a closed browser tab, Control plus Shift plus C. I know this. I use this very often. So yeah, there are so two methods. One, we can go to the history and do it. So this is one of the easiest way. All you have to do is click on Control plus Shift plus T. So this was the tab that I closed recently. So I'm able to open this and that's it. Now you can use this shortcut if by mistakenly you have closed a browser. All right, so hope you enjoyed these tips. Some of these are very helpful in our daily routines. I personally enjoyed them and will use it going forward. So do follow us on our social media handles, which will be shared in the description below for more such tips, tricks, and updates. Our guys are doing a great job in getting all the useful stuff. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.